After Ajay Devgan, Salman Khan and Akshay Kumar did their bit for society in the box office and well-received cop dramas, it's now the turn of Sanjay Dutt. There is a dramatic southern cinema touch to Policegiri. It is reminiscent of Rohit Shetty's brand of movies where cars fly and explode on opposite ends of the screen. Policegiri is an addition to the super cop genre like Dabangg and Singham, and with these characters around, who needs superheroes? Directed by K.S. Ravi Kumar, the film is a remake of a Tamil film called Sami. There is a morally ambiguous cop, his love interest and the villain who's determined to take him down. You think this film would have been different because the first half features an unorthodox DCP Rudra Aditya Devraj played by Sanjay Dutt, who sets foot in Nagapuram to clean up its mean streets. The reigning CM Nagori Nityanand Subramaniam, played by Prakash Raj, like most unscrupulous politicians, does not play by the book and enforces his own laws. Now, but then again, so does our hero, which makes them worthy adversaries. The protagonist and the antagonist understand it all too well and make a deal. They will not get in each other's ways, provided Rudra lets Nagori continue with his illegal dealings, and Nagori does not harm his citizens. It is a simple enough pact, but for reasons unknown, the characters seem hell-bent on breaking it. But that is mostly an excuse to incorporate as many flying cars, bodies, weapons and blood spatters as possible. Needless to say, Sehel, heroine Prachi Desai, has precious little to do, except get rescued by the leading man, though there is that one scene where she manages a timely intervention. Her entry scene where she climbs down a window seems a little odd and does not tie in with the rest of the story. Sanjay Dutt does a decent job as a highly exaggerated action hero, with his unbuttoned uniform and macho swagger. But Prakash Raj takes the cake for his stupendous performance as a villain. It is his sheer energy and southern accent for which you can watch the film. Prachi Desai is charming in the little she has been given to do. Manoj Joshi and the rest of the cast provide able support. The biggest high point of the film is the background score. Music by Himesh Reshammiya is interesting. Action scenes by Kanal Khanna was supposed to be the mainstay of the film, and there is no doubt that some of them have been choreographed, but they lose their charm because they come far too frequently. Some notable editing by Samjeet MHD pulls off some great moves between the characters. Visual effects by Aditya Bedekar and Santosh Chaudhary are interesting in the fight sequences, but not so much in a scenic love song where the backdrop of mountains and lakes is clearly projected. Dialogues by Farhad pack a punch. The pace of the film is fairly even except for a lag in the second half. However, it would be unfair to completely dismiss this film if you are looking solely for entertainment. Policegiri is a film that requires you to leave logic at the doorstep, and if you have, this film could surprise you. It definitely caters to a sizable single-screen audience, but would work just as well in multiplexes if the viewers are in the mood to just sit and see some bad men being punished for bad things. What strikes you most about Policegiri is that it gets the masala film tone almost right with its formulaic pattern of romance, comedy, punch dialogues and over-the-top action. But the problem, and what perhaps works against it, is that Policegiri is coming after an overkill of such films in the last 2 years. However, its billing as Sanjay Dutt's first release after heading to prison might boost the two-star Policegiri's business. With cameraman Shadab Zaidi, this is Swaran Chaudhary for Films of India. For all things Bollywood, subscribe to our YouTube channel www.youtube.com/officialfilmsofindia, and do like us on our Facebook page www.facebook.com/filmsofindia.